In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove Google Calendar from Calendly. If you've connected the wrong account, switched emails, or just don't want Calendly to access your Google Calendar anymore, removing it is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through each step, explain what you're seeing, and give you a few tips along the way so you feel confident about making this change. First, open Calendly and sign into your account in your web browser. Once you're on your main Calendly dashboard, you'll want to look for the area where all your connections to other tools live. This is called the integration section. You might see it labeled as integrations, connected apps, or something very similar, usually in the main navigation menu or under your account or settings menu. Go ahead and click on the integration section. This is where Calendly shows you all the apps and services that are currently linked to your account. Things like Zoom, Teams, and of course, Google Calendar will appear here if they're connected. Taking a moment to get familiar with this page is helpful because it's where you'll come back anytime you want to add, manage, or remove connections. Next, locate the Google Calendar section. You might see it listed by name with the Google logo or under a broader heading like Calendar Connections. The important thing is to find the area that specifically mentions Google Calendar. If you have multiple calendar apps connected, such as Outlook or Apple, make sure you're focusing on the Google Calendar entry and not a different calendar service. Once you've found the Google Calendar section, you should see one or more Google accounts listed there. This is where you'll find the specific email address or calendar you want to remove. Take a second to confirm you're looking at the correct account, especially if you've connected more than one Google address to Calendly in the past. It's easy to remove the wrong one if you click too fast, so double check the email or label before you continue. When you're sure you've identified the right account, look for the option to disconnect it. This is usually a button or icon. Next to that Google Calendar entry, it might be labeled as disconnect, or it could appear as an X or a small trash can icon. All of these do the same thing. They remove that Google Calendar connection from your Calendly account. Click disconnect or the X or trash can icon next to that account. Calendly may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this calendar. If a confirmation message appears, read it briefly, then choose to confirm or remove. After that, the Google Calendar entry should disappear from your integrations list, indicating that it is no longer connected. Once you've done this, it's a good idea to refresh the page and quickly check your event types to make sure everything looks the way you expect, especially if this was your primary calendar for checking availability. If needed, you can always come back to the integration section later to reconnect a calendar or switch to a different one. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed Google Calendar from Calendly.